Captain Marvel can fly through space and absorb the energy of stars, but what happens if she faces the ultimate cosmic force, a black hole? Stick with me and you'll know. Alright, so we've got Captain Marvel, one of the most powerful superheroes in the Marvel universe after Hawkeye. Just joking. Now, Captain Marvel has flown through space, taken on cosmic level threats, and has some serious durability. But when it comes to black holes, we're talking about a whole different ballgame. Let's get into it. First, let's talk about her power. Yeah, I know you all have watched the world-famous billion-dollar Captain Marvel movie and are familiar with her powers, so I'll just do the recap. She's got superhuman powers because of Kree DNA mixed with her own, meaning she's way stronger than your average superhero. She can lift over 90 tons, fly at light speed, and survive in the vacuum of space. But her real ace in the hole is energy absorption. She can absorb and manipulate almost any form of energy, whether it's kinetic, nuclear, or electromagnetic, and use it to increase her strength, heal herself, or shoot energy blasts. And don't forget, her binary form, this taps into the power of a white hole, which is basically the opposite of a black hole, spewing energy and matter out instead of sucking everything in. When Carol goes binary, she can manipulate gravity, radiation, and the energy equivalent of a star. So yeah, she's packing serious cosmic firepower. Now, let's talk about black holes. And I guess you've heard about black holes either in school or from this guy. These are the scariest things in the universe. A black hole's gravity is so intense that the light itself cannot escape, and at the core of a black hole is the singularity, where everything is crushed into crazy dense particles. Fun, right? So even if Captain Marvel got close to a black hole, she'd face unimaginable gravitational forces that could shred even the toughest superheroes. But she is a baddie. She has fought Thanos and isn't scared of the black holes, so she starts heading towards it. So here comes the million-dollar question: could Captain Marvel survive this? Here's the tricky part. Her energy absorption ability might help her withstand some of the extreme gravitational forces, but black holes are on a whole other level. Gravity inside a black hole is beyond anything she's dealt with, and even though her powers are enormous, it's hard to say whether they'd be enough to resist the crushing force of a singularity. In her binary form, she might stand a better chance. Her connection to white holes, which theoretically repel matter, unlike black holes, could give her a unique edge. She might be able to manipulate the intense gravitational forces, or even generate enough energy to escape the event horizon before being pulled in, but once she crosses that point of no return, there's little chance of coming back. Even if she uses all her forces combined, she won't be able to get out. It looks like we have lost our superhero. Now, here's a wild theory: quantum tunneling. It's a phenomenon in quantum mechanics where particles can appear to tunnel through barriers they shouldn't be able to pass. In theory, if Captain Marvel's powers are strong enough, she could potentially use this to escape a black hole's event horizon. But even that's a huge stretch and more in the realm of fan speculation than confirmed Marvel canon. I think Captain Marvel might be able to resist a black hole's pull for a while, especially in her binary form. She could absorb energy, manipulate cosmic forces, and fly at speeds fast enough to escape. But once she's past the event horizon, even she might have to face the fact that a black hole's power is just too much to handle. Could she survive longer than most? Absolutely. But forever? Not likely. Okay, so whatever I told you in this video, it's all scientific viewpoint. We will discuss many other burning questions in the future videos. Until then, stay tuned.